If you solve the test 1, so with the help of this video you have to check answer of test 1. Now see first question. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following sub questions. So first question is the sequence -10, -6, -2, 2 and so on is. So the correct alternative is option B is an arithmetic reason d equals to 4. So we see how to calculate the answer why option B is correct. So see here in solution we write first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So -10 is first term, -6 is second term, -2 is third term and +2 is fourth term. Now we have to find whether the given sequence is arithmetic progression or not. So with the help of these options we find D. So we use the formula D equals to Tn plus 1 minus Tn. So Tn plus 1 means next term. So we write T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. So here T2 is -6, T1 is -10. So substitute the value. We write -6 minus minus plus 10. So -6 plus 10 we get +4. Similarly we calculate T3 minus T2. T3 is -2. T2 is -6. So we substitute the value first. So T3 is -2, T2 is -6. So minus minus plus 6. 6 minus 2 we get 4. So we calculate T4 minus T3. T4 is 2, T3 is -2. So substitute the values. So this minus minus get +4. 2 plus 2 we get 4. So if you observe the consecutive terms difference is same. So this is arithmetic progression and common difference is 4. So we write here D equals to 4. So the option B is correct. Now see sub question second or main question second here. First four terms of an arithmetic progression are. First term is -2 and common difference is -2. We have to find first four terms of arithmetic progression, and for that we in solution first term is -2, that means we have value of a or value of t1 is -2 and common difference is -2, that means d equals to -2. So using the formula Tn is equals to Tn plus 1 plus D. So we say here option C is correct. So see how option C is correct. So first we write A equals to -2 and D equals to -2, which is given part. So we consider here T1 as first term. So T1 equals to A and A equals to -2. So first term T1 equals to -2. Since the common difference D which is -2, so D equals to -2. So we use the formula Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus D. So from this we can find the next term. So we calculate T2 first. So T2 equals to T1 plus D. T1 is -2 and D is -2. So this -2 -2 we write -4. So the second term is -4. Now we find third term T3 equals to T2 plus D. T2 is -4 and D is -2. So -4 -2 we get -6. So in this way we get third term and we have to find next term. So if you observe -2, -4, -6, here -2, -4, -6. So from this also you can say the option C is correct. Or you can find next term also, T4 equals to T3 plus D. T3 is -6, D is -2. So -6 -2 we get -8. So here confirm option C is correct. Hence arithmetic progression with common difference -2 is -2, -4, -6, -8. Now question number 3. Which of the following sequences are arithmetic progression? If they are arithmetic progression, find the common difference. So we have to check this sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 is arithmetic progression or not. So see the solution of first sub question. So we write here T1 as 2, T2 as 4, T3 as 6 and T4 as 8. Now we have to find the common difference. So common difference we write T2 minus T1. Similarly T3 minus T2 and T4 minus T3. Now we check their common difference is same or not. So substitute the value of T2 as 4, T1 as 2. So we get 4 minus 2 which is equals to 2. Similarly T3 minus T2, T3 is 6, T2 is 4. So 6 minus 4 we get 2. And last T4 is 8, T3 is 6. So 8 minus 6 we get 2. That means common difference is same. So the arithmetic progression is so the sequence is arithmetic progression. So the terms are in arithmetic progression. Now see sub question second answer. Here terms are -3, -2, -1. So we write first term, second term, third term first. So T1 equals to -3, T2 equals to -2 and T3 equals to -1. So we write here common difference equals to T2 minus T1 and common difference equals to T3 minus T2. So we calculate T2 minus T1 first. T2 is -2, T1 is -3. So minus minus get plus. So -2 plus 3 we get 3 minus 2 that is 1. Similarly we calculate T3 minus T2. T3 is -1. T2 is -2. So minus minus plus 2. So 2 minus 1 we get 1. That means here common difference is same which is equals to 1. So the terms are in arithmetic progression with common difference D equals to 1. That means first sequence is in arithmetic progression, second sequence is also in arithmetic progression. That means terms are in arithmetic progression. Now see main question 4. The first term A and common difference D are given. Find the first 4 terms of arithmetic progression. So in this question first term and common difference is given. So we have to find the first 4 terms of arithmetic progression. So see first sub question. Here A equals to -3, D equals to 4. So A is the first term. So we write T1 equals to A equals to -3. Since common difference D equals to 4. So we write formula Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus D. So first we find T2. So T2 equals to T1 plus D. T2 is -3, D is 4. So 4 minus 3 we get 1. So second term is 1. So we find third term. Third term T3 equals to T2 plus D. T2 we calculate 1. Common difference is 4. So 1 plus 4 we get 5. So third term is 5. We find fourth term T4 equals to T3 plus D. T3 is 5, D is 4. So 5 plus 4 we get 9. So in this way in first sub question first 4 terms are -3 1 5 9. Now see sub question second. Here a equals to 200, d equals to 7. So we write t1 equals to a equals to 200 and common difference d equals to 7. So by using the formula tn plus 1 equals to tn plus d, so first we find t2. So t2 is equals to t1 plus d. Value of t1, that is a, which is equals to 200, d is 7, so we get second term as 207. Third term t3 equals to t2 plus d, t2 is 207 and value of d is 7, so we get 214 as third term. And fourth term is t4 equals to t3 plus d, so t3 is 214 plus 7, we get 221. So the first four terms are 200, 207, 214 and 221. So we write here an arithmetic progression with common difference 7 is 200, 207, 214, 221 and so on. Now see third sub question. A equals to -1, d equals to -12. So we write here, let t1 equals to a equals to -1. Since the common difference d equals to -12, so we use the formula tn plus 1 equals to tn plus d. So we calculate t2. t2 equals to t1 plus d. t1 is -1 and d is -12. So -1 -12 we get -13. Then third term t3 is equals to t2 plus d. So t2 we calculate -13, d is -12, so -13 -12 we get -25 as third term. Then fourth term is t4 equals to t3 plus d. t3 is -25, d is -12, so -25 -12 after adding we get -37. So in this way we get first four terms. Hence, an arithmetic progression with common difference -12 is -1, -13, -25, -37 and so on. Now see the last sub question. A equals to 8, d equals to -5. So we write here t1 equals to a equals to 8. Since the common difference d equals to -5, so using the formula tn plus 1 equals to tn plus d, so first we find second term t2 equals to t1 plus d. t1 is 8, d is -5, so 8 minus 5 we get 3. Now we find third term, so we write t3 equals to t2 plus d. t2 is 3, d is -5, so we get 3 minus 5 which is equals to -2. Now fourth term t4 equals to t3 plus d. t3 we calculate -2, d is -5, so -2 minus 5 we get -7. So this is fourth term. Hence an arithmetic progression with common difference -5 is 8, 3, -2, -7. So in this way you can solve the problems based on arithmetic progression when first term is given, their common difference is given,